Hi guys, I am Sabari. Now I want to speak about the great leader and the luxury car founder. He is the successful person in his industry. If you know his story, you have some idea for in your future. I think it should help to achieve your goal. My video focus on August Kurtz. We are all know about something about him. August Kurtz means in our mind will says he is the founder of Audi. In his lifetime, he founded so many cars, but Audi is the one of the great creation in the world. August Kurtz, born at 12th October 1868 in Germany. His parents' name is Winigan and Pursia. August Kurtz completed his graduation in engineering Mittweida, Germany in 1890. He had some idea to start up a new car company. For that, he do not have that much of money to start his graduation. He went to work for Carl Benz in 1896. He worked in the company for 3 years only in shipbuilding department. August Kurtz gaining whatever knowledge he required and in 1899 set up his own company. The company name is August Kurtz and CIE in Germany. He made the first car in 1901. August Kurtz worked in the company for 9 years only. He leaving from the company in 1909 for his family situation. August Kurtz decided to start another car company. He starting to think about the company name. They discuss about this topic Hertz. He put in his own name. After that, the conversation over, previous company filed a legal complaints. So he did not able to take his own name. His son gave an idea of the name Audi. Audi is the Latin word which means listen. So his dad think that is a good name. So he applied for his son idea about the Audi. August Kurtz founded Audi company in 16 July 1909 in Germany. The Audi automobile industry headquarters in Ingolstadt, Germany. In all over the world, Audi company have 13 production facilities in 10 countries. 90,783 employees are working in Audi company. The 4 rings of Audi logo each represent one of 4 car companies, that is Audi Sports GmbH, Ducati, Italsign-Giugiaro, Lamborghini. August Kurtz decided to sell the company in 1920. After that, he wishes to join as a professor in Frankfurt University of Technology. August Kurtz write his own autography. The name of the book is I Built a Car in 1937. 3rd February 1951, August Kurtz passed away from the world in the age of 82. So, I think you should be know lot of information about this person. This leader story should be help to motivate for your future activity. This leader is lot of pain, problem, issues, sacrifices in our own life. The same thing should be happening in your life too. Just confident about yourself, believe in you. Don't waste a simple opportunity. Learn for other opportunities, getting information that should be help to achieve in your success. Thank you for watching this video. Bye guys.